Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here. Hey to my subscribers, and hello if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. So today for the $5 tech, I'm going to be reviewing this keyboard. I got this from Five Below, where I also got the Lucas that you've seen in one of my previous videos. That's for a giveaway. There you go. Yeah, so this was $5. I usually don't buy $5 stuff, but I'm like, hey, if this is a full-size keyboard, why not, show it off, see if someone else would want to buy it for $5. So let's open this box. I mean, I don't expect it to be anything fancy in the box, but I mean, you never know. Sometimes you can be surprised with some cheap products. So let's get this open here. So the winners of the keyboard, of the wireless keyboard and mouse setup from, I want to say 2 videos ago, is going to be announced at the end of this video, so please stick around. I'm going to use a random generator. I just downloaded some app and just typed in everyone that commented on that video that wanted the keyboard. Yeah, so this is the wireless receiver that comes with this keyboard. I mean, I didn't expect it to be in any like safe packaging. It doesn't even have like a Ziploc on it. So like if you would have dropped this keyboard, you would have probably lost the receiver. But all right, let's toss this to the side. So this is a pretty nice size keyboard. Like, to be honest, I would have probably paid a little more money for this. I mean, it does feel like thin. It does feel very light. It doesn't have that much weight to it. It doesn't have the little lifts, so you can have the keyboard risen while you're typing. But I mean, what do you expect? It's a $5 keyboard. I mean, I'm not expecting to have all the bells and whistles. So this is the Logitech keyboard that I have. I mean, it's about the same size if you ask me. I mean, I paid what, $40 for this one and $5 for the bottom one. So I paid 8 times more than this $5 keyboard, and it's the same size. It's a full size keyboard. The only plus side is that it has the kickstands on the back of my Logitech, and it's solar powered. So it's like, yeah, and it could be at an arch, so your wrists don't hurt with the keyboard being flat. But like any keyboard, you can always just put something under it to hold it up. Like I have my mouse box to hold it up, but this is really nice. I mean, the keys don't pop out easily, but I mean, it really feels like a quality keyboard to me. Like, I don't know what a cheap keyboard feels like. I mean, but yeah, so this is powered with AAA batteries. You need to put 2 AAA batteries in the back here. One will slide in, obviously, and the other one will just be in the main section. Yeah, so I mean, AAA batteries, you can get a pack of 4 for like $1 at your regular dollar store, and it's not gonna die out quickly. This actually has the Windows emblem on it for like the Windows key. Unlike the Uhuru keyboard, it had just said the words, the letters WIN for the word win, so it stands for Windows. If this little thing wasn't on this keyboard, I mean, honestly, if someone was to sell it to me for $10, I would be like, hey, I'll take it. But that's the only thing that kind of cheapens the keyboard, besides the fact that it doesn't have any weight to it. But I mean, hey, for $5, you honestly can't go wrong. Like, again, oh yeah, so this is the mic that I use, but I'm gonna just use the box to prop up the keyboard to show you, like, if you had a large mouse pad just to hold the keyboard in place and you put something under it, you can type on it at an angle and not have any issues. So yeah, you got a full number pad on this keyboard. Again, you can't go wrong with $5. If you like these $5 tech videos, leave a comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely show more $5 tech keyboard. I mean, if anybody wants it, I mean, just let me know, and I'll ship it to you. Obviously, you'll pay for shipping because it's not a giveaway, but yeah, all right. Let's get into the giveaway for the winner. So the winner is Teriyaki Girls. All right, so I'm gonna message you separately, or you can email me in my business email, and I will get your shipping information and I will send it to you. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx here. Stick around. There will be another giveaway. Yeah, like and subscribe. Ajaxx out.